On behalf of ISWA, we'd like to celebrate the 2021 World Environment Day and reinforce our mission to promote sustainable and professional waste management worldwide and support the transition to a circular economy. Better waste management is instrumental to a full ecosystem restoration, as a sound waste management system prevents and reverses pollution in all its forms, restoring favorable ecosystem conditions and thus delivering better quality of life. For this to happen, we need the commitment and dedication from some change makers who work to inspire positive changes. So let's listen and join our devoted members from different parts of the world to build a greener future. Everybody can be part of the generation restoration. So join us on this journey.
Hello everyone, my name is Anna-Karin Gripal and I'm calling from Avfall Sverige in Sweden. If we are to achieve the global sustainability goals, the whole world must have access to sound waste management. And Sweden has for a long time been working with technology, infrastructure and organization, and through our vision of zero waste we can show that it is possible to work for better resource management. And global waste management is one very important piece in the puzzle of reaching the sustainability development goals and to restore the ecosystem. So I say thank you to ISWA for the work that you are doing from Avfall Sverige and from me, Anna-Karin.
APESP, the national representative from Portugal, promotes the restoration of ecosystems by reimagining cities as ecosystems, recreating the provision of water, wastewater and waste services, and by promoting the quest for symbiotic equilibrium between man and nature. Together with our associates and ISWA, APESP celebrates World Environment Day not just today, but every day.
Hi. For the last 15 months, the pandemic has taken over our lives. That's why I'm addressing you from home. But fortunately, there are better times to come. Today, it is World Environment Day. The challenges for our environment didn't go away, and we need to stay focused. We need to make a better future for the next generations and for our children. Sustainable waste management is part of that future. We count on you.
We must act now to change now. A proper waste management is fundamental to secure a balanced environment to all of us. Join our efforts at the Brazilian Association of Waste Management Companies. I'm Gabriela Otero, the Technical Coordinator.
Greetings, dear friends and colleagues. This is James Law, a board member of ISWA and the chair of the Task Force for Closing Dump Sites initiative. On this Environment Day, I would like to encourage every citizen around the world to commit and select best waste management practice that have the least impact to our environment. Let's keep our Mother Earth beautiful, and I wish you all a happy Environment Day.
Protection of the ecosystem is urgently needed, and also it is very significant for the quality of life and the continuation of the humanity. By the creation of the public sensitivity and being aware of the threat, Turkey, as many other countries, started to apply the renovation program, such as protection of both aquatic and terrestrial biodiversity and reduction of the carbon emission by encouraging the application of the clean technology.
Good morning to everybody. I am Mario, the president of ISWA Italy. On the 5th of June it will be the Environmental Day. I believe that every day should be the Environmental Protection Day, as we will never survive without protecting our environment. So, goodbye from Italy.
I'm Marcelo Rosso, President of the Association for Solid Waste Studies, ARS, national member of ISWA in Argentina. The association continues to work together with companies and institutions to improve solid waste management system and promote circular economy. Together with the national members of Brazil, Chile, Mexico, and Uruguay, we conform the ISWA regional chapter for Latin America and the Caribbean, which allows us to transfer the ISWA guidelines with a regional perspective and achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. On this World Environmental Day, we wish to express our commitment in contributing to restore our urban ecosystem through the promotion and development of sustainable and professional waste management, aiming to achieve a circular economy. Thank you.
Hola, mi nombre es Cristian Rojas, soy presidente de AEPA y desde Chile les digo que ¿por qué es importante recuperar el ecosistema? Porque primero es porque donde todos nosotros vivimos y coexistimos, por lo tanto si está contaminado ese ecosistema nosotros vamos a estar permanentemente enfermos y el costo social sigue siempre en aumento. Y cuál es lo medio que hay que hacer son acciones por el clima, como por ejemplo el programa de saneamiento ambiental que estamos haciendo nosotros aquí en Chile. Así que eso es la opinión desde acá de Chile. Saludos.